You're scrolling through Instagram, another entrepreneur posting pictures of their Lamborghini, another 25-year-old with $1 million business.
The most you've generated on even one account is roughly $600,000.
How much money do you make?
Make $1 million every month.
And how old are you?
I'm 17.
And you're lying there in bed, wondering why you're still stuck, still broke, still tired, still living paycheck to paycheck. But what if I told you that the system you were raised in was never designed to make you rich? What if everything you were taught about money and success was a lie? And what if, just what if, it could actually work out for you too? Let me ask you something real. How many of you went to school thinking you'd graduate and live the good life? You did everything right. You got good grades. You went to college. Maybe you even got that degree. But now you're here, working a job that barely pays your rent, drowning in student debt, watching your dreams fade away one Monday morning at a time. Here's the truth nobody wants to tell you. The school system was never built to make you wealthy. It was built to make you a good employee. Back in the early 1900s, John D. Rockefeller didn't just control oil. He controlled minds. Through his General Education Board, Rockefeller poured millions into shaping American education. But not the way you think. He famously said he didn't want a nation of thinkers. He wanted a nation of workers. Think about that for a second. The richest man in America openly admitted he wanted to keep everyone else from thinking like entrepreneurs. Rockefeller knew that if people learned how to think critically, how to solve problems, how to create value, they might not need his factories. They might start their own businesses. They might become competition. So what did he do? He designed a system that would produce perfect employees. Sit in rows. Don't question authority. Memorize what you're told. Follow the schedule. Raise your hand to speak. Ask permission to use the bathroom. That's not education. That's employee training. The system taught you to wait for instructions instead of taking initiative, to avoid risks instead of embracing opportunity, to seek security instead of building wealth. And here's the darkest part. It worked so well that most people still defend this system today. They'll argue that you need college, you need a boss, you need someone else to validate your worth. That's not education talking. That's programming. Rockefeller didn't want you to learn about money, investing, or business. He wanted you to learn just enough to operate his machines and follow his rules. The school system was never broken. It's working exactly as designed. It's just not designed to work for you. Companies fire people after 20 years of loyalty. Pensions don't exist anymore. And that college degree, it's worth less every single year while costing more than ever. But here's when the game changed. The internet broke everything. For the first time in human history, you don't need a boss to make money. You don't need a degree. You don't need rich parents or connections. You need skills. And you can learn those skills from your bedroom. While everyone else is complaining about the economy, smart people are building businesses online. They're learning high-income skills like data science, machine learning, video editing, copywriting, sales, social media marketing. Skills that companies desperately need. Skills that pay $50, $100, even $500 per hour. And you can learn them for free, on YouTube, on free courses, from people who are actually making money doing it, not from professors who haven't worked in the real world for 20 years. The barriers are gone, the gatekeepers are gone. You can literally start building an income online today, right now, from wherever you are. But most people won't. You know what the real problem is? It's not that you don't have opportunities. It's not that you're not smart enough. It's not that you don't have what it takes. It's fear. Fear of failing. Fear of looking stupid. Fear of wasting time. But let me tell you what's really scary. Wasting your entire life in a job that slowly kills your soul. Working for someone else's dreams while your own dreams collect dust. Being 65 years old, looking back, and realizing you never even tried. That's what should scare you. Most people spend more time planning their weekend than planning their escape from the system that's keeping them broke. They'll research a TV for hours, but won't spend 1 hour learning a skill that could change their life. They'll scroll on TikTok for 3 hours, but say they don't have time to start a side business. I get it. The unknown is scary. But you know what's scarier? The known. Knowing exactly where you'll be in 10 years if nothing changes. Same apartment, same debt, same stress, same regrets. The real question isn't if, it's where will you be when it does? Still stuck in the same place, doing the same job, having the same conversations about how life didn't turn out the way you hoped? Or will you be living proof that it's possible to change everything if you just start? Here's something most people don't understand about success. There are 2 types of work in this world. Work inside your comfort zone and work outside your comfort zone. Most people choose comfort zone work every single day. It's easy, it's familiar, it doesn't require growth. You wake up, do the same job, follow the same routine, watch the same shows, and go to bed feeling safe. But here's the brutal truth. Comfort zone work keeps you exactly where you are, forever. The person making 6 figures working from a beach in Bali, they chose discomfort zone work. They spent years doing things that scared them, learning skills that felt impossible, having conversations that made them nervous, taking risks that kept them up at night. And yes, it was uncomfortable, really uncomfortable. For 2, 3, maybe even 6 or 7 years, they lived in that discomfort zone, making mistakes, getting rejected, failing over and over again. While everyone else was binge-watching Netflix, they were building. But here's what happened after those years of discomfort. Everything changed. All that uncomfortable work started paying off. The income started flowing. The freedom became real. Now they're living the life everyone else only dreams about. So you have a choice to make right now. You can stay comfortable for the next 40 years and end up exactly where you are today. Same problems, same stress, same limitations. Or you can be uncomfortable for the next 3 to 7 years and spend the rest of your life living like most people only wish they could. The choice is yours. You can close this video, go back to scrolling, and pretend like nothing changed. You can keep making excuses about why it won't work for you. Or you can decide that today is the day you stop being a victim of your circumstances and start being the author of your story. Your future self is depending on the decision you make right now. Don't let them down. The life you want is waiting, but it's not going to come to you. You have to go get it. So what are you waiting for? Your time is now. So let me flip the script for a second. Instead of asking, what if I fail? Ask yourself, what if it actually works out? What if that business idea you've been scared to start actually takes off? What if 6 months from now you're making more money in a week than you currently make in a month? What if it actually works out? Because here's the thing, it works out for somebody. Every single day, regular people escape the system. People with no special talents, no rich parents, no perfect circumstances. Let me be honest with you about something. Your first attempt will probably suck. Your first video will be awkward. Your first client will probably underpay you. Your first business idea might fail completely. So what? Every single successful person started exactly where you are right now. Broke, scared, and clueless. The difference is they started anyway. This is your one life, not a practice round. This is it. You can spend it following someone else's plan for your life. Or you can bet on yourself. You can take control. You can create the life you actually want instead of just dreaming about it. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing content. And don't forget to check out my other videos. You'll definitely find something useful.